Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 15th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:23 am. Okay, so let us come on to our chart. So traders, here I am seeing an opportunity in Wipro for the selling side, and also I have placed the order with limit order. Okay traders, for the sell side, but our order has been not yet executed as it is going already downside, so we will wait for our order to get triggered cause this will be the best price for us. If it didn't get triggered, then I will not be selling at this price here. Okay traders, so our order has been placed, and so here we will wait for its execution and let's see what happens. And also traders, since today is Thursday, we are or will be also be trading in option sellings. Okay, so we will also sell options today, and I will update you for the option sellings after some time. Okay, and let this order get placed, so we will wait for it. So traders, here you can see our order has been just placed in Wipro. So let's see what will happen here. I don't know what is going to happen here cause it was our downside momentum, but it is trying to go some consolidation or it can be a trend reversal. So no problem, we are in the trade. Now let us come on to our option selling trade which we practice every Thursday. So coming on to the bank nifty chart. So here you can see traders, I have made the support and resistance line. Okay, so I will be selling call of this resistance and support of this put. Okay, so let me explain you. As I have drawn this resistance which is 24,400. Okay traders, so here it is. I have added, this is my Semco account, and I have added these options which I want to sell in my watch list. So I will be selling 24,400 call which is a resistance and 23,000 put. Okay traders, so but here you can see it has taken a good momentum, and currently that option is trading with 31 points, near somewhere 30 points. If we are selling it, we can get a good profit, but as we can get good profit, there will be high risk as well. So but okay, I have drawn this resistance and I have trust on it that it can't, bank nifty can't break that. What you say traders, should I rely on that? Yes, I can. Okay traders, so I am selling 24,400 in call since it is a paper trading. So we will add here 24,400 call. We will sell one lot. Let's see at how much price it is currently trading. So 32. We will sell it with limit order, that is 32. Yes, okay, 32. So selling price is 32. Our target will be 1 rupees, and stop loss, what you say traders, we have to take a stop loss of 60. Okay, so let me place the order. Okay, so our limit order is selling price 32. So we will wait here and see it is trading with 34. So our order has been placed with stop loss of 60. Okay traders, so it has already gone 40 and our order was 32. So okay, no problem, we trust our resistance drawn by us, and now as it has gone upside, where we can change our support. So we will move our support till here. Okay traders. Okay, this is good. So rate is 23,200. So I have to add in that in our watch list. So let me add it in our watch list, and I will update you when I will sell the put. Okay traders, now I'm pausing the video. Okay traders, so here you can see that I have added 23,200 put, that is we have traded here. So okay, now let me also add the time here at which I entered into the trade. It was near 9:50 a.m. Okay traders, it's coming on to here. As you can see here traders, that 23,200 call is currently trading with 4 rupees. I am waiting for bank nifty to come for retracement or for any consolidation, so that the price of put will get high, and we'll place our order at somewhere of price near 8 rupees. Okay, so let's wait for it. For the bank nifty to come downside. Okay, so let us place our limit order. Now we will wait for it. Till then, let us come on to our Wipro trade, that is equity. Here you can see traders that we have entered the trade, but the downside momentum has been gone, but still there are chances that it can again come downside to hit a target. So let's add or place the order of target and stop loss, so that we will get free from this side. So our target is 338.30, and our stop loss is 347. So we will add 347 here, and let us modify it. So it is sending the order. We will wait for it. Till then, let us see our bank nifty. Okay, it has come downside, and let's see at how much point our put is trading currently. Now it is trading with 4 or 5. I think traders, I need to, here I can trail this resistance support price. Okay, so I can take it till here. Okay traders, no, but it will be very high, so let us remain there only at 23,300. Okay, 23,200. Okay, no problem. So we will sell this at 5 or 6 rupee, at 6. So 23,200 put, we will add here 23,200 put. We will be selling one lot with price, it is trading with 5.95, so we will place our order with 6, and our target will be 0.55 with a stop loss of 25, and we are entering in the trade at 9:56 am. So we have placed a limit order at 6. Let us see, it is 5.60, so we will wait for our order to get executed. It is here trading with 5.45. Let's see if it is coming downside. Yes, let's see, it can hit 6 anytime. So we will wait for it for 6 the points at which we want to sell it. It is at 5. No problem, we will wait some more time. 5.40, 5.45. It is taking some time to get 6 point. Okay, till here, then here we see Wipro. It has not taken our target and stop loss in the system. No problem, we will wait. Let's see for our limit order here. It has not yet come to 6 points. You can see here. We'll wait some more time. Okay, no problem. We needed to modify it. No, we will wait some more time. For our execution of 5.60, 5.45, let it hit at 6 only for once. We will wait because we know value of each a single point. A single point can make huge difference in our profit and loss. So here we are waiting. And Wipro is going again, trying to come downside. Let's see what happens. It has not taken yet 6. So what you said, traders? Can we? Okay, let us place our order at 5.20. So our selling price will be 5.20. Limit order. Let's see for its execution of 5.20. I think that now it will take time to get 5.20 also. This is what happens in market. It plays with our emotions, but okay. We will wait for 5.20. Okay, let us see Wipro. Wipro is going good. It has not now again taken 5.20. No problem, we will wait some more time. Let us modify it with 4.70. Okay, no problem. 4.70 order placed. Okay, and has been executed here. Okay, traders, 4.70. And we are in the trade at 10 a.m. Okay, so we have entered in our equity trade and option selling trade both, and also a stop loss has been decided, traders. Okay, now we will wait for our target or stop loss to get hit for both our trades, and when it will hit any, I'll update you, traders. Okay, so now I'm pausing the video. So traders, here you can see the Wipro. It is now trying to come again downwards. So here what we will do is we will trail our stop loss to our cost price. Okay, so here we are trailing it and our order has been sent. Okay, so it's now modified. Let us drop this tool. Okay, so again we are in the trade of no loss trade. Either we will work profit or no profit. Okay, traders, now let's come on to our options. So here you can see that 24,400 call is performing good and 23,200 put needs some time for the theta decay. So we will wait for the market closing time, and this is all our current status of both the trade. So I am again pausing the video, and when it will hit target or stop loss of any trade, I'll update you. So traders, let me first show you time. So it's now 3:07 p.m. and the market is now closing, and here you can see in our equity trade our stop loss, which was at the cost price, was got triggered. So here we didn't book any profit or loss. Now coming on to the bank nifty traders, you can see here that after going upside, bank nifty came into the consolidation. It made consolidation here, and after where what is 1 p.m. it gave a sudden momentum towards downside, and you can see here the fall, which resulted in trigger of our stop loss of bank nifty options selling setup. So here you can see traders that 23,200 put which we sold is currently trading with 83 or 87 rupees, and our stop loss was at 25. So our stop loss was got triggered, and in 24,400 call our target has been hit. So let us come on to our Excel sheet where we made our entry. So here you can see traders that in 24,400 call we made a profit of 775 rupees, and in put we gained the loss of 507. So our overall profit was 267.5 rupees. So traders, this was our today's trade, and hope you learned something from this. And traders, let me also show you this thing that you can see here. The market can do anything at any time, because here you can see that in the morning it was showing a downward momentum, but suddenly it reversed and gone upside, and after going upside it gone into the sideways momentum, and after spending time with sideways it suddenly reversed to the downside, and here you can see it is just going downside and downside. You can see here traders. Okay traders, so this was our today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. So thank you for watching the video, and have a good day.